What is up, guys? I'm about to take my brand new wide body Scat for a test drive, and I got a GoPro, so the quality is going to get better with the videos. And I'm going to show a POV style video today, and I'm going to show inside the car and test out different like spots and mounts. So I'll see you guys in a bit. The car came out very glossy after the ceramic coating. It looks amazing. This is about a week after the coating in the sun. Beautiful color. I love the frostbite in this car. It looks amazing. What is up, guys? So I just set up the first area where I'm going to use the GoPro. I'm going to let the car warm up a little bit, drive around, and like kind of talk about what's like coming for the YouTube channel. And then I'm going to switch to the head mount and show like a POV drive, and like kind of like so you guys can experience how the charger is, the Scatpack. But as of right now, guys, the green one, my Sublime Green Charger Scat, it's gonna be coming very soon. It's almost done with the bodywork. The frame is done. We fixed the core support, and we're literally just waiting on, you know, the body shop to paint all the, you know, the panels and stuff, and then put them back on. Then after that, we're gonna put the wide body wheels on, put some tire lettering. It already has the Hellcat hood. It's gonna be matte black. It's about to look sick. And then I don't know if I'm going to keep the car, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'm most likely going to sell it and just move on to something else. Maybe get a daily, because I have, you know, this one. I'll just take this one and then, you know, we'll find a daily to drive for the winter and stuff, which is on to my next point. So in the winter, you know, we have a lot of snow. So this car, I'm probably not going to be driving it that much. And I'm probably going to be posting more side hustle / like dealership type of videos. That way you guys could like see how everything is in the day in the life of the dealership, and then I could kind of like help you guys, you know, get to where you guys want to be, and hopefully you guys take my advice. And wow, that's a sick 5.0 Mustang. I wish I could turn the camera, but yeah, I'm gonna start showing, you know, me going to the car meets and going to Mexico and show like different races, and then maybe do some car reviews. And yeah, like I'm looking forward to it. Like honestly, I'm doing YouTube for fun. Like I have fun taking videos. You hear that 6.4? Just losing traction. Wow, this car is nuts. But yeah, so eventually, you know, the videos are gonna keep getting better and better with like the quality, because like I know I just bought a GoPro, but eventually I want to get better cameras, you know, better mics. I just want to, you know, show everything in the best quality possible. But with that, I need to gain some more subscribers, you know, get some more views, and then, you know, I'm willing to spend the money, take the risk, and then, you know, provide the best quality and stuff. And I'm still gonna try right now to get the best content possible, and, you know, that way you guys can enjoy it, and, you know, hopefully hit that sub button, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna switch to the POV style right now. I just spotted, I think, a F8 Tributo. Hold on. Look at that. That is so nice. Alright, guys, so this is the POV style video that I was talking about. I'm going to take you guys along with me, show you guys how this car drives, how it sounds. Alright, sounds amazing, guys. I love this car. Losing traction like crazy, guys. Probably should adjust this a little bit. There you go. This car is very fun to drive. Does not get old. You know, this is actually my third charger that I've owned. I had a yellow Daytona 5.7 liter. Then I had that green Scat, and now I just bought this wide body. So I'm obsessed with chargers. I also have that Corvette coming soon. I'm going to take a POV style video of me driving it. It got some goodies done to it too. Alright, I'm going to shut up and just drive. That way you guys can enjoy it. That's a huge house. Tires are still not warm, guys. This thing is losing traction like crazy, guys. Wow. Even with those 305s in the back, this thing just kicks out. I'm gonna try to do a 40 pull after the bridge, after the railroad tracks. My bad. Red light. All right, guys. Thing's a monster. Literally, even in 40, guys, it literally spun and went sideways. This thing is way different than the regular one. I think it has a little bit more power. It feels way faster on the low end than the regular narrow body Scats. What up, guys? So I just finished doing the POV type of drive. I don't know if you guys are going to be into that or anything, but since I have a dealership, I have the pleasure of getting to drive multiple different types of cars. So if you guys are interested, I could do a bunch of different POV types of videos on multiple different types of cars, like Corvettes, Chargers, Mercedes. You know, I could get different types of cars to drive. So if you guys are into that, just let me know. Hit, comment below, hit the subscribe button. And I just set up the GoPro right here. I'm gonna get different clips and I'm gonna put them in this video, see how you guys like this style. So let me know. I'm gonna get to the next clip. guys, the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm thinking about taking the Dodge emblems off and doing a lot of other things, so stay tuned for the next video.